Hello there, and welcome to another myClubhouse video tutorial. In this video we will be looking at the CMS module. The CMS module allows you to create custom pages for your myClubhouse site. In this example, we will be creating an About Us page using a selection of different components and techniques to give an introduction to what the CMS module can do. Once you are logged into your myClubhouse site, navigate to CMS, create new page. Enter the page title. Split the block into two columns by clicking the central line. In the left-hand column, click Image. Click Select Image. Click Upload Image. Click Choose File. Browse your device for the image you want to use and select it. Click Upload. Click OK. Scroll to the bottom of the wizard and click OK. Your image will appear in the left-hand column of the block. Hover your pointer over the image. A floating menu will appear in the top right. Click the down green arrow to insert a new component below the image. In the new component, click Text. Click in the text component and enter some text. Quick tip: if the floating menu items are obscuring your text, move your mouse pointer off the component. In the right-hand column, click Widget. Select Event List. Scroll to the bottom and click OK. To the top right of the block, click Done. Hover your pointer over the existing block, then click Insert to add a new block below the existing one. The new block may not be immediately obvious, because it is empty, but if you hover your pointer over the area where you expect it to be, you should see an outline and a pop-up menu. Click Edit on the new block. Split the block into 3 columns by clicking the 4th and 8th vertical lines. In the left-hand column, click Widget. Select Common Links. This will show the links based on the role of the user, whether that is someone not signed in, a member, or an administrator. Scroll to the bottom and click OK. In the center column, click Text. Enter some text. In the top right floating icon, click the paint bucket icon to change the background color. Next to color, click Yes. Click Reference Color and select Primary from the drop-down to choose the color set in General Club Settings. Click OK. In the right-hand column, click Widget. Select Photo Gallery. Scroll to the bottom and click OK. Click Configure. Choose 2 columns for the number of columns. Click Add Images. Click Bulk Upload Images. Click Choose File. Browse your device for the images you want to upload, select multiple images at once then open, or your device's command. The images appear in the Bulk Image Upload pop-up. Click Upload. Click Close. Select your uploaded images from the Finder. Click OK. Scroll to the bottom and click OK. To the top right of the block, click Done. Now add a new block below the current one. As before, with your pointer hovering on the block, click Insert. Hover your pointer over the area containing the new block and click Edit, then click Widget. Select Member List. Click OK. Click Configure. Select a member list from the drop-down. In this example, Committee Members has been selected. Enter the title for the widget. Scroll to the bottom and click OK. This shows the contact details of anyone in the committee members' member list. To the top right of the block, click Done. Click Save Draft. You can now see what the page will look like when it is published. If you're happy with the page, click Publish. The page can now be viewed. Now let's add the page to the menu to make it easier for users to find. Scroll to the bottom and click Add this page to main menu. Remove version equals 1 from the end of the URL. Enter the caption, which is usually the same as the page title. Click Select next to icon. Select an icon to represent the page. Select which menu it will come under. In this example, information has been selected. Select the item before which the new menu item should be inserted. In this example, document downloads has been selected. Click OK. Refresh the page to see the change to the menu. And there you have it. An example of what the CMS is capable of. If you liked this video, you can learn more about other capabilities of the CMS in our knowledge base. If you don't already have the CMS as part of your license, get in touch through the myClubhouse service desk to have a 30-day free trial. Thank you for watching.